Assalamu alaikum. How are you, class? I hope you're fine. So today we will start our topic its name is driving and using formula. Before I start, I will tell you its definitions like what is drive and what is formula. Formula is the mathematical rules, okay? So that show the relationship between two or more quantities. Let's suppose you are willing to solve any question as we solved before how to find position to term rule, okay? So for this we are making just a small thing like term equal to any number that is multiplied with position and adding any number or subtracting any number. So that was your formula because we are using the rule because we know each time they that is follow the same process, okay? So that's why we know these words, okay? So it is a rule that can written in the form of letters or word, okay? You can use like after position, what I say to you, I say replace this position into n. So before this we are using words, but after that we are using the letter, that is n, okay? The plural of formula is formulae, okay? So formulae, we just read like that, okay? So here that is we just tell about formula. Now next is driving. What is driving? You can write drive your formula to help you to solve the problem, like how you can drive, like as I told you in the starting exercise, that you are using the rules, that is bit mass, okay? So what, first of all, if you find bracket, so you solve first bracket, then if you find any division or multiplication, so you solve that one first, okay? You're also using indices, okay, and also using additions or subtractions, okay? So these things, these are rules. So we drive using bid mass. It's also example that let's suppose I give you the car and I say drive this car. So everyone know how to drive, but if you don't know the rules, okay, let's suppose you without pressing brake, you just on your car and just move this, okay, try to move. So that is not a right thing. Or without using clutch, so it's not working. So the first rule is you just open on your car, then you press your brake and like that, okay? So everything have specific rules. So here in maths this will also have specific rules that we follow. Now indices, examples of indices they are given, okay? After bracket, if you find any number that is like in the form of like squares, okay, like 2 square, uh, 2 is the square of 2 is 4, 5 square of 5 25, square of, sorry, cube of 3. So any numbers that you find like this, these are all your indices. Now work out the value of expression as you can see here. So here he said that 2x plus 4y. So even he give us the value like x is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 2. But before this, they just tell us that 2 is multiplied by 5 and plus 4 is multiplied by minus 2. But here, these are expressions, okay? So they are using expression to solve the following. So let's suppose we just multiply. So first of all, everything we do first multiplication because we know the bit mass rule, okay? So here 2 multiplied by 5 we solve, we write it 10. 4 multiplied by minus 8, that is equal to minus 8. So minus plus, that is equal to minus 8 minus 10 minus 8, that is equal to 2. So the same process you are following, like here in the next part they just give us a 3x squared plus 4. Now in this case they said that you have a 3 squares, okay? So first of all we know x is equal to 10, so 10 squared. So here 10 square, okay, in the place of x we just write 10. So 10 square is 100. 100 multiplied by 3, 300 plus 4, 304. The C part, the formula of a numbers in an or in any number of days using words or letter. So 1 hour has how many? Sorry, in one day has how many hours? Okay, 24 hours. Okay, so 24 multiplied by day. Okay, so if you want to know that like 5 days has how many hours, like 3 days have how many hours. So this formula, you are making a formula, so you write this in the form of words, okay? So if you said, sir, I want to write in the form of letter, so the first letter you just write on this here, okay? So no need to write all this one. And equal to 24 multiplied by d shows for days, okay? So let's suppose you want to know, sir, 7 days has how many hours? So 7 multiplied by 24, that is equal to 168. So here in the D part, they just tell us you are just finding this using putting 7, okay, days. 7 days has how many hours? So you can easily find this out. Here the simplest questions, okay, once I solve any one of these, so you understood all the, like p plus 5, p is minus 3 plus 5, that is equal to minus 2, okay. Okay, here minus 2. Then q minus 6, q is 4, 4 minus 6, that is equal to minus 2 again. Sorry, here this one is not minus 2, this one is plus only 2. Now this one 6h means 6 is multiplied with h, so h is minus 3, 3 multiplied by 6, 18. So here I write, first of all I write 18, but it's a minus, okay, because 3 have minus sign. So like this you are solving. Which one is difficult? I think h part may be little bit hard, okay. So 3z plus v, z is 8, 3 multiplied by 8, okay, so that is equal to 24, okay. Now next is plus, okay, and v is minus 20. So here is minus 20, okay, minus plus, that is equal to minus 24 minus 20, so that is also equal to 4. So I hope you understood this question. You understand this all. Now here I put it here. Now same like that, all is easy. Okay, let's solve question key part. Okay, so what we will do, u, they give us u is 2, okay. So sorry, u is 4, 4 divided by 2, that minus 5, okay, so that is equal to 2, 4 divided by 2, 2 minus 5, that is equal to minus 3, okay. So here we have a new one, like there, here the write here 30, p is 30 divided by 5, okay. So plus q is minus 8, minus 8 divided by, I am not sure what is this, 2, okay. So that is equal to 6, and plus minus minus, and here is 4, that is equal to 2, okay. So here is your answers. Now same like that, the other part, they just have a squares, okay. First of all, the x is equal to 4, the square of 4 is, so square of 4 is 16, okay, plus 5, so that is equal to 21. So any other question? Yeah, this one. Here c part, g square and h square. So the square of 3 is 9, plus h square is 36, that is equal to 45, okay. So any other? Yeah, so cube 3 square is 3 cube is 27, multiplied by 2, 54. Here you write 54. P cube is 1000 divided by 5, okay. So P is 1000 divided by 5, that is equal to 200, okay. So likewise you are solving the all parts. Here I also solve this part. So 20 minus 4 cube is square is 16, 16 multiplied by 4 is 84 or 64, okay. So that is equal to 44. I hope you understood this. Let's see our answers are right or wrong. Now here, yeah, minus, sorry, here is minus, okay. Sorry, I forget to put minus. Here is minus, okay, this good. 54, yeah, this one is part. 200, yeah, good. So all parts you see, all are right, okay. So same like this, you just take a picture of this page, okay, and solve this, or stop my video here and solve your other parts. Now let's move on to the next slide, okay. Now here we have a question number 3. Question number 3, what he said to us, this is the part of Darika homework. He's doing mistake, okay. Explain the mistake that he was made. Work out the correct answer. Work out the value of this. Okay. First of all, he give us these questions. He say x is equal to -3. Okay. When he's just taking a squares of 3. Okay. So what he was doing, the square of 3 is 9. Okay. So here he write, but the mistake is he put here -9. Okay. So the mistake is just here. This is, that is its mistake. So the thing that she's doing is just write here 9 minus 8. Okay, so answer is equal to 1. That's it. So its answer is 1. So she said work out the value of the following. So easy. Y is -5. So first of all, I just put here bracket -5 square, okay, plus 4. So that is equal to 25 plus 4, sorry 4, that is equal to 29. Okay, now here, so we have this all. Here I put square. Okay, so I hope you understood all these things. Okay, so like that you're solving your other parts. Now here I just solve C part. This one is your mistake is A part. Okay, and B part is this that I write here. Okay, this answer is its B part. So like this you are doing all this one. Now here Aditi is also doing a mistake. Okay, because yeah, explain the mistake that she was made. Let's see. Mhm. No, the mistakes he's doing first, she solved here. Okay, so this from here, this is wrong. Okay, so this all remaining is wrong. So cube is what we will write here. Let's see. Now here the step is mistake we find here. So here 5, we never change this 5. It's should be same. 5 multiplied by now -8. Okay, so what is its answer? Is equal to -40. So answer is -40, not 1,000. Okay, so the mistake she was made is that first she multiply, even she know that she never remove index, she never follow the rules of bit mass. Okay, so work out the following. So here what we will do, first of all we write 2, and here we write -3. So here is cube. Okay, so that is equal to 2 multiplied by -27, that is equal to -54. And here I write cube. Okay, so like this you are solving. Write the formula for the number of the month in any of the number of years. Okay, so we just made a formula. So I will show you the formula here. Question number 5. Month, that is equal to years multiplied by 12. So one how many 1 year has how many months? 12. So if you say 5 year has how many months, so you just write a number of years multiply 12. So in letters, so we just put the first letter M, Y, and 12. So he give us how many months? 8 years. If you have 8 years, how many months? 96. So the same. Oh, I think it's all is easy. So the same thing you are doing, U and T they give you, so put it here. The same thing, the number, change the number and put it here, change the number and put it here. So all answers are already, you can see on the screen. So we just finish here. Okay, so from further question we solve in our next class. So I hope you understand all. Okay, so take care, goodbye, see you in the next class.